Hello students, in this video I am going to give you a brief introduction about operators. Operators, what are operators? Operators are some special symbols which are used to perform a specific operation on operands. Like in mathematics we use many kind of operators. For example, this is a plus operator, and the work of this operator is used to add the numbers. So this is what? This is the operator, and these 5 and 7 are what? Operands. So operators basically perform any operation on operands. So this operator, plus operator, is performing addition on these two operands. What are the operands here? 5 and 7. So the answer we will get 12. So this is what? This is a operator. Let us repeat again. Operators are some special symbols which are used to perform a specific operation on operands. Okay students? Now the next thing is form of operator. In Java we can form three kind of operator, or can be divided into three categories. First one is the unary operator, second binary operator, and third is the ternary operator. The unary operators, these operators requires only one operand to perform operation. Binary operators require only two operands to perform an operation, and ternary operators require three operands to perform any operation. Let us clear this with the help of an example. First, let us take binary example, binary operator example. 5 plus 2. You can see this plus operator requires two operands to perform operation. So here this plus is nothing but binary operator. Same as 3 multiplication by 2. This multiply operator requires two operands, that is 3 and 2, to perform a operation. So this operator is known as binary operator. So ternary is a special case. There is only one operator. We will discuss about it later, which is conditional operator. Okay, and unary operator, this increment decrement operator, this operator require only one operand to perform operation. We will discuss about these operators later. Logical note is a unary operator because this operator is also requires only one operand to perform a operation. Let me write an example. Plus x. So here you can see this increment operator requires only one operand. That's why this operator comes under the category of unary operator. Okay friends, so these are the form of operators. Let's move ahead. The next topic is types of operators. In Java we can divide the operators in these 8 categories. So in this video I am going to just introduce these operators. In the next upcoming video I will tell you in detail. So first operator is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetical calculations. So the operators come in this category are plus, minus, multiplication, modulus and division. Next is relational operator. Relational operators are used to compare two quantities or two operands, and these operators gives the result in either true or false. So operators come in these categories are is equal to, less than, greater than, less than is equal to, greater than is equal to, and not equals to. Next operator is logical operators. Logical operators are used to construct complex decision making expression. These operators accept only true or false, means the operands can be only true or false, and these operators gives the result in true or false. So the operators are AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. Next is assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign some value in variable. So this is the assignment operator. Increment decrement operators are used to increase or decrease the value of a variable by 1. So the operators comes under this category are increment operator, and this is decrement operator. This operator will increase the value by 1 and this will decrease the value by 1. Next is conditional operator. Conditional operator is the only ternary operator. It requires 3 operands, and based on these 3 operands it will assign a value in a variable. Next is bitwise operator. Bitwise operator are used to perform bitwise or calculation in bits on operands. The examples are AND operator, OR operator, right shift, left shift, unsigned shift. Next one is the special operators. Some operators like dot, that is dot operator, and instance of operators are come under the category of special operators. So this is all about the operators available in Java. Thank you students. Have a nice day.